let's demonstrate how to set up a combined custom discount. This will include an order discount, a product discount, and a shipping discount code all under one discount code. You have the option to make the discount automatic or a manual code that the customer will need to input at checkout. For this demonstration, let's create a manual discount code and call it Combined CD Test. For the product discount, you can choose to apply it to all products or to a specific collection. Let's select one of the collections, for example, hydrogen. You can set a minimum requirement for each discount. For instance, the minimum requirement for this discount could be a cart subtotal of 100, and you can choose the currency for the subtotal. Let's make this a 10% off discount for this specific collection. Moving on to the order discount, let's say it applies when the cart subtotal reaches 200 INR, and it offers a 30% discount across the entire order. You have the option to toggle any of these discount types on or off. For example, if you only want to offer a product and shipping discount, you can toggle off the order discount. But for this demonstration, let's leave it on. Now, for the shipping discount, you can make it apply only to a specific type of shipping. You can select specific rates, or you can apply it to all shipping rates. Let's select a specific rate and make sure it matches the name of your shipping rate. Let's say we want to apply the discount to standard shipping. Click on Add. The minimum requirement for this discount could be a cart subtotal of 300. Please note that you can skip the minimum requirement if you don't have any, or you can have the same requirement across all three discount types. Now, if we want to offer a 100% shipping discount, essentially offering free shipping, we can simply set the percentage to 100. You can also set a specific discount amount if you prefer. This applies to all three types of offers, not just this one. Next, we'll go to the hydrogen collection to let the product discount apply. This product meets the criteria of all three types of discounts because we have the 100, 200, and 300. Our cart subtotal is 749. We'll copy this discount code, hide this for now, and click on Checkout. We'll add the discount code here. As you can see, the product discount has been applied, as well as the order discount. Now, we'll add an address to confirm that the standard shipping discount has also been applied. So, with a single discount code, we've managed to apply the product, order, and shipping discounts. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.